All right, YouTube, let's look at this ATV I just picked up. It is a Polaris Outlaw 90. The VIN area says it's an 07. The guy that had it for sale says it's an 08. So 07, 08, somewhere around there. Just picked it up, 280 bucks. Originally, he had it listed for 500, he said. So it needs a new battery. Obviously, seat cover. Plastic's a little broken up in some areas. Little things like little skid plate here looks broken. It's a little rusty from sitting. He had it outside. A little rusty. Stitched a little bit there. So we'll get it out of the truck and we'll check it out. All right, let's see if we can get this ATV to do anything. I don't know if it has spark, nothing like that. The guy said it just needed the carburetor clean. So we're gonna use a little bit of starter fluid and my jump box. This jump box I got off Amazon. I'll show you in a second. 3,000, I guess, peak amps, 12 volt jump box. Less than 30 bucks, came within a day. I'm gonna put the link for this in the description below in case you want one. This thing's pretty awesome. Not even hooked to the battery. So the motor's not locked up. All right, looks like this thing will run. Let's get the carburetor cleaned. It's a 10. You might not be able to see it. I'm just gonna pull it off the back of the tank. Unhook that hose. This one had the fuel line already disconnected from the gas tank, so here we are. Holes are good. All right, we're checking it for leaks. All right, let's try to get some power to it. The battery's still not any good. I'm gonna use my jump box. Links in the description. This thing's pretty cool. I've used it a bunch. Oh, so it started. Kind of running kind of high. Let's see if I can adjust the idle. Sounds pretty good. We'll see. Get a little bit of power. Sweet. My power jump box. All right, so there we go. It's running. It revs up. It drives. Goes in forwards and reverse. It's still got some work to be done to it, but for 280 bucks, can't beat it. I need to work on some of the plastics. I'm going to recover the seat. Plastics up here are broke as well. But thanks for watching Big Germ's Garage. The jump box will be in the description in case you're interested in a jump box for less than 30 bucks from Amazon. And the cleaning tools for the carburetor, I'll put that in the description as well. All right, cool. Thank you and have a good day.